Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Michelin Pilot Sport Performance Tire. Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 tires have up to 29% greater tread life than competitors. The Pilot Sport All Season 4 performs admirably in all conditions, whether dry, wet, or snow-covered. Based on an internal treadwear test done on public roads in tire size 245/40ZR18 versus the Bridgestone Potenza RE980 as pole position -29%, Continental ExtremeContact DWS 06 -12%, Pirelli P Zero All Season Plus -25%, and Goodyear Eagle Exhilarate -23%. Actual on-road performance may differ. Innovative design that sticks out from the crowd. In comparison to the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus, it has 4% better dry braking, 5% better wet braking, and 10% more snow grip. Based on internal brake and snow testing performed on a 2015 BMW 328i with tire size 245/40ZR18. Actual on-road performance may differ. Michelin was among the first tire manufacturers to seize the opportunity and offer EV-specific tires, beginning with the Pilot Sport EV. This model is based on the Pilot Sport 4S, but it employs a high-stiffness electric grip compound, which is designed to provide maximum grip and traction on heavier and more torquey EVs. Michelin also used its acoustic technology to reduce road noise. Tires are louder on EVs due to the lack of an engine to mask road noise, so this is a good addition. Our second best tires for Tesla Model Y is Goodyear Eagle RSA radial tire. The Eagle RSA from Goodyear provides all-season, high-performance traction for sporty coupes and sedans. Its innovative asymmetric tire pattern contributes to improved grip, superior cornering, and a quiet ride. In wet, dry, or snowy conditions, aggressive shoulder tread blocks and large lateral grooves provide confidence handling. The tread compound on this model contains asymmetric tread patterns, providing for a quiet yet strong ride. It also has useful grooves to aid with wet traction and braking in a variety of weather conditions. Eagle RSA is a well-known product line among Goodyear's superb all-season tires. This automobile tire's one-of-a-kind design and outstanding features will not disappoint you. To acquire a thorough grasp of this subject, read the Goodyear Eagle RSA tire evaluation. The Electric Drive GT is Goodyear's latest UHP all-season tire created exclusively for electric vehicles, with the goal of providing a quiet ride while maximizing range. Goodyear used an all-new low rolling resistance compound molded into an asymmetric tread designed to accomplish this. Furthermore, the Electric Drive GT incorporates specific inboard tread components to assist the tire in meeting the increased torque demands of EVs. Third choice in our list is Goodyear Eagle RSA radial tire. Vredestein Quattro Pro is a grand touring all-season tire designed for passenger vehicles, SUVs and minivans. This tire satisfies all industry severe snow service criteria and is marked with a 3-peak mountain snowflake, 3 PMSF, sign. The Quattro Pro tire has a high volume of silica and resin molded into an asymmetric pattern for precise turning and improved road traction. In wet circumstances, the outer shoulder and outer ribs improve traction, handling, and steering, while the middle rib provides straight line stability. The 4 circumferential grooves of the Vredestein Quattro Pro tire aid to drain water and slush away from the tire's footprint, reducing hydroplaning, while the high-density zigzag sipes provide grip on wet and snowy roads. While the Electric Drive GT performs well in both dry and rainy situations, it lags behind the competitors. This is especially noticeable during braking and cornering, where Goodyear's EV tire lags behind the competition. Even on the most powerful Model Y variants, the tire is fairly good at putting the power down. Our fifth and last choice is Kami Waterproof Car Cover. Kami 6 layers car covers are made of heavy-duty material. Pin Kiva are 100% waterproof, it's great for rainproof, snowproof. High reflective aluminum is good at sunproof and anti-UV, keeps car cool in the hot day. Thicker cotton protect vehicle paint. KEMI multi-layer material are much more thicker and durable than other similar 6 layers products. With door zipper in the left of the cover for easy access. Windproof straps at front and rear to fix your auto cover in heavy wind weather. 6 pieces reflective stripes to remind the people in the night. 4 pretty mirror pockets make the cover more suitable, no matter the hot sun or the cold weather. KEMI car covers can handle it all. The powerful material keeps your car safe from UV rays, sand, dust, leaves, branches, snow, rain, frost, birds dropping. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best tires for Tesla Model Y list is Cooper Pro Control 117HXL tire. Cooper Pro Control tires are designed to wear evenly so your handling feels crisp at every turn, straightaway, and stoplight. Our all-season tires feature sipes that widen as the tire wears to help maintain grip on the road, allowing water to clear the tread. Sweeping grooves on these car tires help water evacuate to help improve wet traction. The all-season tire was designed to wear evenly so your handling feels crisp at every turn, straightaway, and stoplight. Sipes widen as the tire wears to help maintain grip on the road, allowing water to clear the tread. Sweeping grooves help water evacuate to help improve wet traction. The Cooper Pro Control comes with a 70,000 miles limited treadwear warranty. Cooper Tires offers a 45-day satisfaction guarantee to try out your new tires. If the Cooper Pro Control is too expensive for you, the Quattro Pro is an excellent budget option. Despite costing almost 20% less than its premium rival, Friedrichstein's Grand Touring All-Season tire excels in most categories and is an excellent companion to less powerful Model Y versions. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.